Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in my bathroom. So we're gonna try the Curlsmith Fun Curl Rehab Salve. Now this product is supposed to be kind of like a protein supercharge. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, so if you're interested in knowing about this product and the cool things that it can do to your hair, then just keep watching. I'm just gonna read a little bit about the description of this product just so that you guys can get a feel for what it is. So this product, first of all, is $29. It is 8 fluid ounces, so it's a pretty decent bottle, especially if it's the kind of product that you'll be using once a month, maybe twice if you really need it. So I think it's a really nice size, a good amount of product for what you're gonna get. So the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is a powerful blend of superfoods and fortifying active ingredients that targets all three of these bonds, all the three bonds of the hair, to repair, rebuild, and restore hair fiber strength. It also provides protection to help against further damage. It's kind of like a milky consistency. I want to show you guys, kind of like a lotion, I want to say. I don't want to put too much, but I do want to show you guys what that looks like. It's very milky, but not too thick. I feel like it's between lightweight and heavy, medium in that end. And the way that you're supposed to apply it is you're supposed to wet a little bit your hair and put it on and wait around 25 to 40 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleanser, conditioner, and styler. So this is kind of like a pre-wash treatment that you use. I was advised by my stylist that I have medium porosity hair. I have type 3A all the way to 3C. Like I have various different curls up on this head. So yeah, I want to show you guys how that looks on my hair. I'm gonna actually apply it now since it's supposed to be before jumping into the shower. Hey guys, my hair is fully wrapped and saturated with this product. I'm gonna do a couple of chores around the house to let this soak in. Up to my knowledge and from the videos that I've watched from Mains by Mail, you shouldn't let this go further than 1 hour because after 1 hour it's just not gonna do anything for your hair rather than, just be a product. It's not like more like hydration stuff so that you can leave it at least for 2 hours. Although you have to be careful with that because you can like fatigue your hair with hydration. Yes, that's a thing. So you guys, I'm gonna run about, let this product soak in. I'm actually gonna jump in the shower, take a bath, and actually get my hair done with you guys, let you know how my hair feels after I wash it. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what my hair looks like right after showering. I have not put any product on it. It's very soft and very curly right off the bat, especially around the front where it's usually frizzier. I feel like it has a little bit less frizz. I don't know, you guys tell me. It's very dry. It's a very dry area, this. It's very sensitive also, and it's a little bit dry because I use a hair towel, but I feel like it looks good so far. Keep in mind I have not styled my hair, but I think it looks good up to now. It feels very soft, feels very curly, and yeah, less frizz than one might think, especially considering that I use the hair towel and I did not apply anything. It's a little bit dry here. So I'm gonna actually walk you through my routine a little bit just to give you guys a little bit of insight there. So I have my water bottle here. So this is a mist just for these sites like this. Whenever it's already dry by the time that I get there, I spray on it so that it gets hydrated again, and then I go in with the products. So first I got the Eva NYC Mane Magic Tan and Wine Primer. This is what I use before I apply anything else. It's just to kind of set everything that I did in the shower. And then when I start styling, I use my pattern leaving. This is a really big tub because it's amazing and it's a really good price. And I style with my Denman brush, of course. And once I'm done styling and everything, I use my Burr Curl Cream. This is godsend. I've had it for over 2 years. I have not switched curl creams because this is amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through me doing my hair and show you guys what my hair looks like by the end. Hey guys, oh my glasses are pretty dirty, but this is what my hair looks like after styling. I felt like my hair was a little bit easier to curl up, especially with the Denman brush. And at the front, as you can see, my curls are back to hydration again. So since it's late, I'm actually gonna diffuse my hair so that I can go to sleep with my hair dry, and you can see the final results of the product. I do find that it doesn't have as much frizz as usual. Like usually around here and here, you can see like a little bit of frizz creeping up on me, which I've honestly accepted. But I do know that my hairstylist actually recommended for me to use this once a month. So I do know that I have to, do the work to get my curls to their full potential. So I do use them, but I don't see anything like insane. I have never tried any other protein products, so I have nothing to actually compare it to. But so far it looks good. If you followed my hair journey, you can actually see how much curlier my hair has gotten. So I honestly, after my haircut, I haven't really seen much of a change because a lot of the damaged hair got cut away. So let's just see how it looks once it's fully dry. Hey guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. honestly, it looks so hydrated and so defined. I don't know, can you see the difference? I feel like it looks very, very hydrated, which is weird because this is protein, not like a hydration treatment. But just my curls look overall very defined. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my hair, it's over in the mirror. Overall, they look very defined. I feel like every single strand you can see shine in its own way. I feel like my hair looks really good. Hey guys, my hair is fully dried now, and honestly, I feel like this is the first time after I've used it 3 times with this one, or the 4th time now, and I feel like now I can see more of the benefits of this product, which is why I didn't want to let you guys know my thoughts until I tried it once again. I can see that it's much more defined and it's very, very curled up. Typically, I struggle with this top part, and these left sides, they get very loose, like they're not very tight curls. I mean, you can even see it here. But I feel like they curled up even more with this product. Obviously, you cannot abuse it, but I feel like it's doing its job slowly but surely, you know, like kind of giving strength to the hair that was once fully damaged, and it's recuperating. But if you can see, I feel like everything's so fluffy and defined at the same time, which not always happens. I feel like my hair looks very defined, no rim of frizz, which typically is, you know, around this area. Just like I said before, there's none of that. I feel like my hair has the volume that I want, it has the definition that I want. I'm really happy with how this product is playing out. So those are my full thoughts. Do I think it's worth it? Honestly, if you're in it to really win it with your hair and your curl routine, and honestly, overall hair care, I feel like if this is something that you truly care about, I do think it's worth it, because it, you know, it will help your hair recuperate and it will give it strength.
Hey guys, Monica from the future here. I just want to make a clarification now that I've had a couple days after the product, and I just want to say that because my hair is healthy and I removed everything that was damaged, it was harder for me to see, you know, the benefits. But I do believe that this is a product for either very damaged hair or hair that gets constantly bleached and dyed. So do keep that in mind, because at this point specifically, my hair is very, very healthy. So probably when my hair was super damaged, I would have really appreciated this. Honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 product. I'd highly recommend. Okay, Monica from the future out. Bye.
I don't feel like it's by all means necessary. Like, you don't have to go out of your way to add protein to your routine if, you know, if it's out of your budget. But if you can splurge and get that product, by all means, I think you should, because it's honestly making my hair look right now delicious. I wish you could even see it. I feel like the camera is not catching how much light is coming into my hair and how defined everything is looking. I don't know, I'm kind of blind, so I don't know if you can see it. I would honestly love to know your thoughts on this product. By all means, leave them in the comment section below. That's pretty much it for today, guys. I don't have anything else. I just wanted to make a quick review on this hair product. I wanted to wash my hair and honestly take a little bit of time for self-care. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk a little bit more about curls and makeup in the coming videos. And that's it for today. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.